Hey guys, it's a little hectic here today. It's been a crisis with one of the kids, Zoe, and she's my heart, you know that. So we got up this morning to feed them and went out, and when I went to give her a bottle, she wouldn't take it, and I looked and she was bloated. So my first line of defense, I messaged Miah Crosby. She has a few videos up on goat care, and plus she has sent me a little list of things today to do, and she emailed me back and she called right away, and she said, first off, get some water and baking soda and use a little syringe and put it in the side of her mouth and massage her tummy. So that's what we started. Danny had some things to do, so off and on I have spent probably 3/4 of the day in and out of the barn taking care of Zoe, and I've put the baking soda water in her mouth, massaged her tummy, walked her around a little, and left her alone for a while. We'd go back every 20-30 minutes checking on her, and she this morning she didn't want to walk too much. She wanted to just stand, but I would kind of make her walk a little, and then by lunchtime she would walk out in the field, walk around. But by 1 o'clock, 1:30, her little tail was wagging. She was jumping, hollering. She wanted to eat. So I gave her a little bit of her milk at lunchtime that I usually don't do, but I didn't want her hungry. Miah said not to leave her starving because she hadn't eaten all night. So her bloating had went away. She was feeling a little better. And all afternoon they run, romped, and played, had a ball. And we fed them a while ago. I'm going to go back and check on her in about an hour. And guys, when you have a crisis on a homestead, especially a kid, whether it's a goat, a chicken, a cow, a sheep, you know, pig, rabbit, or your own child, they always come first. So today, let's hope my crisis is over. We will see tomorrow, but what caused the crisis was yesterday, Danny took Zoe and Ellie Mae out for a walk, and he let them eat a lot of the vines and stuff. They have just started nibbling the last couple of days. So he let them stay there about 20 minutes or more nibbling. And then their milk on top of that last night didn't set well with Zoe. So we're not going to let her get out and nibble, but maybe 5 minutes a day until her stomach adjusts. So crisis averted. Thank you guys from Crazy Days, and here's a few pictures of my girls after the fact.